Hi Kevin, please turn on the machine first and dial this unwind adjustment to the largest. I know it's broken, but just localize it to the largest you feel, and then we measure the 3 circles. We measure these 2 red circles. Measure this 0V negative, 0V positive. We measure this 1, 2, 3. We measure these 2 red circles. We just want to check if they has the voltage. If we find one of the 3 has no voltage, then turn off the machine. Turn off it. For example, we have found this part has no voltage, and we measure the IN and the 5V. We measure these 2 blue lines if they have the resistance. Resistance of the 2 IN and the 5V. We just measure if it has no, and someone just dial it, and we measure. Means that time we measure its resistance, the 2 resistance, if they have the resistance. If no, it means maybe the locator of the speed is broken. Generally, the resistance between them should be 20 or 25, 30, maybe. Just you need to try to see if the locator is broken. Locator is behind it. You need to change it. Behind you should to unload this panel and to change this one.